welcome to Moneycontrol. This is Shraddha Sharma and you're watching Reporter's Take. Depositors of commercial and cooperative banks have an amount up to rupees 1 lakh insured under the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. In today's edition, we'll discuss the possibility of that limit being increased. For that, joining us is Saraswati. Hi and welcome to the show, Saraswati.
Hi.
So let's talk about the insurance first. What does the insurance cover?
So Shraddha, as you mentioned, the insurance limit at this point is 1 lakh. It covers your deposit over up to the amount of 1 lakh. So for instance, if there is a bank which is facing a liquidity crisis or or likely to fail, what will happen is the amount up to 1 lakh will be insured. So any amount that is there in the bank over and above that could be taken away in case the bank fails.
Okay, and if there is an increase, what will be the new limit be?
So what we are hearing is that the Finance Ministry is in consultations to increase the limit to 3 lakh rupees. So this will be almost a 3 times increase. Now there has been a lot of discussion that has happened over increasing this, but since the last increase was in 1993 and there has been a lot of chaos going on and there has been a lot of demand to increase this amount, there will be a 3-time increase. However, this will be gradual and this will not be one time. So the Finance Ministry will have to discuss with DICGC on how to increase it and over what period. So those structures and all that is being discussed at this point.
Okay, and as you said, the last increase was in 93. Why are we talking about the increase only now?
So at this point, around 5-6 years back when the Damodran committee had brought out its report under RBI, it had also suggested that the limit be increased to 5 lakh. However, the government did not consider the recommendations of this report. Now, as we know that the PMC crisis is playing underway, wherein there is a lot of money of depositors that is stuck, and depositors have also kind of demanded that the deposit insurance being increased so that their amount of their life savings is kind of kept safe. Now, what will happen is once the 3 lakh amount comes in, at least a majority of the depositors will have at least 3 lakh amount that is guaranteed to them in case a bank fails as well. So I guess after the PMC crisis, the call for increasing the amount kind of gone up. And while this is a 3 lakh increase to almost 3 times, this is not the first time that such a big increase has happened. When in 1993 as well it was increased from an amount of merely 30,000 to a lakh. So we are hoping that this gets done soon so that our money is also protected.
Hope there is a relief to the depositors as well. Thank you for joining us with those insights, Saraswati.
Thank you.
That's all for today's episode of Reporter's Take. For more news, views and updates, stay logged on to moneycontrol.com. Thanks for watching.